Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shushmita and you all are watching me on mrsouch. So today in this video, I'll be sharing this makeup look which is very ideal for parties or as wedding guest. Also, this is very ideal for festive season, but festive season is already gone. So let's just don't think about that and concentrate on the wedding season which is coming right now. So you can clearly wear this makeup as a wedding guest. And if you recreate this look, then do tag me on Instagram, which is mentioned in the screen. So first of all, I'll prep my skin using some face serum by mCaffeine. This contains tea tree oil and I have combination skin type, so I have been using this lately and I quite like it. Next, I'll fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'll be using this brown shade and I'll just fill in my eyebrows. And the eyeshadow palette which I've shown in this video is by Jaclyn here and it is by Morphe. This is available on Nykaa. Now next, I'll take this Mamaearth concealer. I'll mention the shade name in the description and I'll just use it on my lids. Once I blend the concealer, I'll use this brown shade on my outer corner, and using a blending brush, pencil blending brush, I'll just deposit the color. Now taking a fluffy tapered blending brush, I'm like blending this darker brown shade out using some lighter brown shade. Now taking this beautiful coral or orange shade, I'm further blending it towards the eyebrows. Now once done, I'll take this beautiful teal shade and I'll deposit it on the inner lids. Now this was not depositing much color, so I have wet the brush with some fixing spray and now I'm depositing the color, so you can see the difference that how pigmented it is looking right now. Now I'm blending the outer corner again and now I'm using some Pac glue. This is a glitter glue, and on top of that I'm depositing this glitters. This is also a teal glitter. These are pressed glitters and these are by the brand the Glitter Galaxy. Once done, I'll take this MyGlamm eyeliner and eyebrow duo and I'll just draw a sharp winged eyeliner. Now taking this orange corrector by Miss Claire, I'm color correcting my dark spots and dark circles, and I'm using a concealer brush by Pro Arte to do this. And once done, I'll just quickly take this foundation. This is Nykaa All Day Matte foundation. This is very much similar to the Maybelline one, but slightly thicker in texture if it is compared with the Maybelline one. Now I'm placing it all over my face and using a concealer blending brush by Pac. This is the 305. Blending the foundation. Now this is a versatile brush. I absolutely love it and I use it to blend my concealer, my foundations, my liquid blushes. Like any cream product, I generally prefer to use this brush. Now taking the Colorbar concealer, I'm like highlighting my face, so you can see I have applied it on the high points of my face, like on the nose bridge, on the sides of my mouth and on the under eye area. Now I'm using the same blending brush, like the concealer blending brush, to blend the concealer in. Now before applying any powder product, I'll apply all the cream products. So for blush, I'm using this K.Play by MyGlamm and this is their lip gloss. I'll mention the shade name in the description box. This acts as a beautiful cream blush and I absolutely love using it. You can see the pigmentation and how beautiful it looks on my face and how dewy it looks. Now setting my whole face using some loose powder, and the powder I'm using today is by Makeup Revolution. This is their HD matte powder, super matte powder, and I absolutely love this powder because you can see that how beautifully it has set the whole base and my base looks flawless right now. Now taking this palette by Sugar, this is their Contour de Force palette. In 01, I'm taking this contour shade from the palette and I'm like contouring my face, like on the cheeks, on the sides of my nose bridge and on the chin area, like under chin area, and also the forehead. Once done, I'm taking the highlighter shade from the palette and I'll just highlight my whole face, like on the nose bridge and also on the high points of my face. This is a very subtle yet very glowy highlighter and I love using it. You can see my chin, how glowy it is looking right now. Now setting this whole base makeup using some Fix Plus by MAC, and this is their pink light variant. Like it has got shimmery particles. The MAC Strobe cream is mixed in this. Now taking this mascara by Sugar. This has got mascara and Fibre in the same packaging. Now I'm only applying the mascara today. I'm applying it generously on the upper lashes and the lower lashes. I am done with my full face makeup. I'm left only with lipstick. Now I'm taking this Nia Beauty lipstick. I'll mention the shade name, and this NYX Lingerie. lipstick. I absolutely love combining lipsticks like a darker shade and a lighter shade to suit my skin tone, because I'm a dusky skin tone girl, and generally this nude lipsticks doesn't suit me. And yeah, I'm done with the whole look. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope this was helpful for you. And if you like this video and recreate this video, do mention me on the Instagram handle I've mentioned in the screen. Also, you can comment below. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay gorgeous. Love you all. Bye bye.